Welcome. This public involvement presentation is for the project on Wisconsin Highway 133, Tennyson to Cassville, from Brewery Howell Road to the north junction of County Highway N in Grant County. The WIS design project ID is 5205-03-09, and the construction ID is 5205-03-79. Today's date is April 3rd, 2024. The outline for today's presentation includes project location, project status, project purpose and need, project improvements, real estate, traffic control, business coordination, project schedule, and contact information. The project location is shown here on this map with the red line. It travels from Potosi near Brewery Hollow Road and continues north to the north junction with County Highway N. Project status. The project was initiated in December of 2023. We are currently in the preliminary design phase and expect to complete the environmental document during the summer of 2024. Project design will continue through 2024. Real estate and utility coordination is expected to be completed during 2025 and 2026. Final project plans are scheduled for completion in November of 2026. Currently, construction is scheduled for 2029, but could be constructed as early as 2027 if funding becomes available. The purpose of this project is to preserve the function and operation of Wisconsin 133 between Brewery Hollow Road and the north junction of County Highway N, while maximizing safety and minimizing social, economic, and environmental impacts. The primary needs for the project are to address roadway deficiencies related to pavement, drainage, and substandard beam guard, meet current design standards for safety and operation, and extend the functional service life of this corridor. Project improvements include pavement resurfacing. Other project improvements include culvert pipe replacement and replacing the existing beam guard to meet current standards. Real estate may be needed for this project. There are three types of real estate acquisition that could occur as part of this project. Fee acquisition is right away as purchased by DOT. Permanent limited easement remains with the owner but includes restrictions. Temporary limited easement is just a temporary interest and the land remains with the property owner. A few reasons real estate may be needed on this project include slope grading near the beam guard and for grading and riprap placement at the culvert pipe replacement areas. This project will include traffic control and construction staging. Contractor work operations will be completed using flagging operations and shoulder closures. With flagging operations, short-term delays of up to 15 minutes can occur. During construction, access will remain at all times for driveways, businesses, and for emergency responders. WIS In This Together business coordination program has been around for many years. 2021 marked a new chapter for the program as department staff launched an updated coordination guide that you'll find at wisconsindot.gov/together. The project team is here to help, and we ask all businesses to check out this new In This Together resource that includes planning sheets and to continue to work with us on questions as they arise. Recent and upcoming project schedule milestones include the local officials meeting, which was held on March 11th, 2024, and virtual public involvement meeting, which is on April 3rd, 2024. The environmental document is scheduled to be complete in the summer of 2024. The real estate acquisition process will take place from 2025 through 2026. Final plans are scheduled to be complete in November of 2026. Construction is currently scheduled for 2029, but could occur as early as 2027 if funding is available. If you have any comments, questions, or concerns about this project, please contact the Wisconsin Project Manager, Stefan Shabano, or the Consultant Project Manager, Jay Wheaton, by using the contact information listed here. Project information can also be found on the project website at the link shown on this slide. That concludes today's presentation. Thank you.